Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data and power. Back up important files to an external drive or OneDrive, then make sure the surface is charged or plugged in. If BitLocker or device encryption is active, suspend or decrypt it to avoid prompts. Once done, open Settings, go to System then Recovery, and choose Reset this PC. Select Get Started and pick whether to keep files or remove everything. This triggers the reset workflow and downloads the necessary local or cloud reinstall options. Once you pick Keep My Files or Remove Everything, make deliberate choices. Keeping files preserves your user folder but removes apps. Removing everything gives a fresh start. Next, choose Cloud Download for the latest image or local reinstall if you prefer faster offline reset. Cloud is recommended for updated drivers and fixes. Confirm whether to clean the drive for security. You will see a summary. Make sure any signed-in accounts are noted. Then click Reset to let Windows reimage the device. After initiating the reset, be patient. The Surface will reboot several times while reinstalling Windows and drivers. When the process completes, follow setup prompts, connect to Wi-Fi, install Windows Update and Surface firmware, then reinstall apps and restore your backed up files. If the reset fails or the device won't boot, create a USB recovery drive on another PC or perform a 2-button restart. Fully shut down. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, then use the recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.